Hi guys! Hindi po ito call center o office work kundi home base na gagawin mo lang sa bahay na copy and paste system sa gusto mong oras. We are looking for positive, willing to learn, and driven people who want to start their own online career. Pwedeng part-time and full-time is possible. Pwede mo itong bigyan 2 to 4 hours a day. Do it on your own time. O diba, sobrang ganda. Hawak mo pa oras mo dito. Potential income possible 1,000 to 3,800 a day or an hour pa nga yan possible. Plus bonuses pa and great incentives. Ang requirements mo lang dito is dapat may stable internet connection, may cellphone or pwede rin laptop. Alam mo ang basic na English, at least 18 years old and above ka. Pwede sa mga OFW, students, employed, unemployed. Message me lang po para ma-assist kita or comment this video.